We're on the record in the court's announcement docket, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. this morning on today's date of February 10th of 2021. The court is County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. I'm Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. We're on the record in cause number 326010, the state of Texas versus Katie Loud. Ms. Loud was scheduled to be in court this morning for 9 a.m. for the court's announcement docket. Her name was called at about 9 a.m. She did not answer. Her attorney appeared in court. However, Ms. Loud did not appear since the court has been in session. Ms. Ms. Loud has not appeared. Um, Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Katie Loud?
Katie Cloud, Katie Cloud.
Bailiff, would you call the name of Katie Loud again? The time is 11:54 a.m. on today's date of February 10th of 2021. Ms. Loud did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Loud an opportunity to appear in court. Therefore, her bond will be forfeited. State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objections. Ms. Loud's bond will be forfeited in cause number 326010, and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest. We on the record in cause number 3267. Excuse me. Let's back up. We're on the record in cause number 326556 and cause number 328334. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Eric Norman. Mr. Norman was scheduled to be in court for 9 a.m. The bailiff called his name at or about 9 a.m. He did answer. However, Mr. Norman's name was called again, and he did not answer, and he has not appeared in court. Mr. Bailiff, would you call the name again of Eric Norman?
Eric Norman, Eric Norman.
Okay. Mr. Norman's name was just called again by the court's bailiff. Mr. Norman did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Norman an opportunity to appear in court to take care of his case. He has not appeared in court. Therefore, a reasonable time has passed and his bond shall be forfeited. And the time is 11:56 a.m. on today's date of February 10th of 2021. And his bond will be forfeited in both cases. Clause number 326556 and clause number 328334. State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objections. His bond shall be forfeited in both cases and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest. We're on the record in clause number 326798, the state of Texas versus Danielle Hooks. Ms. Hooks was scheduled to be in court for 9 a.m. on today's date, February 10th, 2021. The bailiff called her name at or about 9 a.m. She did not answer, and she has not appeared in court. The time is 11:56 a.m. on today's date of February 10th of 2021. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Danielle Hooks?
Danielle Hook.
Okay. Danielle Hook's name was just called by the court's bailiff. She did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Hooks an opportunity to appear in court for the announcement docket. She has not appeared. Therefore, a bond shall be forfeited. State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objections. Ms. Hooks' bond shall be forfeited in clause number 326798, and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest. We're on the record in clause number 328138, state of Texas versus Gabriel Araguen. Ms. Araguen was scheduled to be in court for 9 a.m. this morning. Her name was called at about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff. She did not answer. Her attorney, Ms. Cantu, did appear on Zoom and informed the court that she told her client that she was going to request a reset And Mr. Araguen has not appeared on Zoom, in person, or via telephone. At this time, the court would you please call the name of Gabriel Araguen?
Gabriel Araguen. Gabriel Araguen.
Okay, Mr. Aragon's name was just called again by the court's bailiff. He did not answer. Our reasonable time has, well, the court is going to put a hold on the bond forfeiture at this time until 4 p.m. If he and his attorney contact the court either by Zoom or by telephone before 4 p.m., then the bond forfeiture uh, will not go through. If not, it will go through. So right now, we just put it on hold. State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
And the time that the bailiff called Mr. Aragon's name was 11:48 a.m. On today's date. Okay. That will conclude the calling of the docket for bond forfeitures. We have um, 3 cases. And we have Mr. Jonathan Davis. Would you please come forward?
Right. And I mean, if they're looking at it, I mean, don't know.
Okay, Mr. Davis, just hold on, we'll wait for your attorney. Come back in. Point. Now, just for the record, we on the record in clause number 323-896, and clause number 323-898, and clause number 323-900. All 3 cases are styled the state of Texas versus Jonathan Davis. Okay, Mr. Davis, Mr. Davis, how are you doing?
How are you?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Davis, you're present in court with your attorney, Mr. Alvin Sammy. Mr. Sammy, how are you doing? That's good. Mr. Sammy, do you have an announcement of Mr. Davis? Mr. Davis's 3 cases?
Yes, Your Honor, we have not received discovery of it as of yet. This is the first hearing. We have not had an opportunity to discover. I'd like to ask that we recess so I can evaluate discovery. We'll go and review that with him and make an intelligent decision.
Okay, how much time do you need?
I would say at least 30 days, 30.
April 21st?
That's fine, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, you can get your reset, then you plan to be